Bill Goudy checking in. I'm in Graceland. I'm in Memphis, Tennessee. I'm being a tourist. And I'm telling you, you pay the price when you go to the tourist areas. I did notice that. They want $45 for just electrical hookup for one night. Yeah, it's electric and water, I guess. No sewer for $45. They got a Wi-Fi, but it's not very good. Can't have any open burning. That's okay, because I don't have any firewood anyway, but got a city ordinance. So I do have my Campmaid Dutch Oven. I want to thank the people at Campmaid for putting that all together for me. This is awesome. It just works out so good in situations like this. I can just start that charcoal. I can use that Dutch oven. I'm cooking me up a deer roast I brought from home. I'm using some special seasoning that Papa Texas gave me. The link for him is down below. Check him out if you haven't already. Papa Texas. Yeah. PT. Yeah, that'd be him. Alright, listen. I'm going to be here for a couple days, checking things out, paying the price. Yeah, you just got to do it. You just got to. Will you look under here? I got asparagus, but in there, underneath there, I have a deer roast. And I have some Cajun seasoning that Papa Texas gave me. And I'm going to try some of that on there. I'm going to sprinkle a generous amount. Yeah. Bezels from Papa Texas. We'll put that to the test. I just happen to have a can of the secret elixir. The elixir of life. I'm going to pour about, I don't know, probably about half a can in there. I might have to taste that flavor to make sure it's okay for the other half. Can you see that? Oh. Can you see the tenderness? Look, look. This is falling apart. That looks so good. Let's dig into that, shall we? Oh, that looks so good. Look at how tender that is. It just falls apart. Oh my. The goodness. Myron just called. He set traps down there and they got a bunch of hogs. I am so happy. We're gonna make some tamales. Can you believe that? Yeah, if I wasn't there to shoot them, yeah, they got a guy who's gonna make some tamales for them. Look at that, will you? Portobello mushroom. One of my favorites. Look at that. You talk about a sponge. Listen, I'm going to sit down and eat that. Well, I'm not going to bring you along. No. That is good. I sure appreciate you watching. I surely do. Bill Goudy out.